As you can see, the ground is not flat at all. It is very bumpy, and we need to fix this if we want to have a proper garden. Now, of course, to make this level, we need to use a lute or a lawn rake. To do that, let's make one real quick. And just like that, we have a lawn rake.
Not quite. It didn't take seconds to make. Let's go through it step by step.
To make the lute, I'm going to use this corner steel bar, which I'm going to cut and weld with my small welder here.
Before anything else, the steel bar needs cleaning. Rust and mill scale taken off to help with the welding and painting. Nice and fresh. He's using a rust and paint cleaning disc on the angle grinder. That's the easy part. To make the welding easier, he cuts the bar on one side and takes out a small triangle. He then scores the other, and it bends by hand. No need to line up two separate pieces. Clever, actually. Then he grinds the corners where the welds will go, giving the welding rods a little bit more room to do their thing. Now, what is not clever is bending the bar twice, because this is what happens. He was not fine, but it wasn't a disaster, just a bit of extra work. Then the actual welding begins. He's self-taught, so don't expect perfect weaving lines. This isn't an art exhibition, it's a garden rake. It just needs to hold together. And then repeat the process. Cut, score, grind, bend, weld, clean, repeat until you've got a rectangle and it's level to the desired size. This is 1 meter by 25 centimeters. Once the frame is done, he cuts 4 more pieces to weld inside the lute.
Alright guys, the difficult bit is done. Now what I really need to do is to put these two together and then these two on top of them, and I will be almost ready.
2 long bars to break and level the soil, 2 short ones to connect the handle. Here's the thing though. It all needs to be properly balanced. If you're slightly off, the lute develops its own opinions. It will veer, it will drift. You're not using it anymore, it's using you.
So as it's quite late, I moved inside. It is completed almost. I need to drill 2 holes here so that I can put a handle. It is quite heavy as it needs to be. Not too heavy, not light.
Drilling into steel needs patience and the right speed. But if you start with a small bit and work your way up to the bigger one, it's really not too bad.
There you go. And after you do this, you switch to a bigger one, 5 millimeters.
He looked confident doing it.
And then let's move to the biggest bit. See how fast it went? That's it. Now we need to paint with metal paint, of course.
For the handle, he's using a long rod with double bolts tight to each other as spacers to keep everything solid.
Oh my god, I didn't pass it through the hole. Let's go and test it.
This is actually the right time to sow some lawn seeds, especially if your garden looks like ours did, which, after a full renovation and no prior lawn, looked less like a garden and more like a backyard of a warehouse.
To top the seeds, I'm using 1 part topsoil to 3 parts sand.
Anyway, back to the Lute.
Let's test it out. It works easier backwards.
Test time. And the handle snapped. Not enough support holding it in place. He did not take it too well.
Well, that didn't go very well. I ran to the local shop because I wanted to figure out a way to fix this. And I think I found the solution. My solution is to put this hinge, which is made for gates, to hold it and then stick the handle over here with 2 bolts. Also, as I was working, it was tilting. As it was finding some resistance here, it was tilting. So to avoid this, I will tilt this rod from the middle to a little bit at the back. This will help me just pull without it tilting, I think. How should it be? This way or this way? Possibly this way. I don't think it will go anywhere anytime soon. I think it will give me better control. Let's see. Ooh, look at that. It's not tilting. Can I push it? Yes, I can push it. Nice. I think this is a great success. Ooh. Brilliant. Now, time to bring some mix and finish off this lawn because it's driving me nuts that it has taken so long.
Buying a Lute this size is either expensive or flimsy, or somehow both.
It's time to have some fun with our new toy.
This one is exactly what we needed. Total cost under £40. Though we did already have the tools, so bear that in mind. The reason we did this Lute was because when we moved into our house, the garden was in a very bad state. The lawn was not even a lawn, just random weeds everywhere. We used weed killer to get rid of the non-grassy weeds, and after months of interventions, it was looking like this. So now we can level the new soil, wait for the seeds to grow, perhaps repeat the process, and hopefully we will soon have a proper lawn without any other interventions. The Lute will always be there to help us keep it that way, eventually.
Now for established lawns, I wouldn't just do this. I would be doing this movement, putting everything in. That's different though. I'm trying to flatten the ground as it is. Just like that, the rake is a great success. Thank you very much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this. And remember, if we can do it, you can do it.
See you on the next one.